Hello, this is Michael Arma, and in this video I'm going to talk about my paint project. I called it Paint because it actually was a pain, but I worked on this project during my winter break or summer of winter break 2010, and this is what I've done so far. And bear in mind, I've done this with 3 months knowledge in processing, so I'm really proud of this work. So obviously, I went through process of doing some industry research, and I've seen the different type of programmers. There's like game programmers, then there's tool programmers. Now the tool programmers seem very appealing to me, that they design tools for other programmers to use or artists to use, such as new paint tools. So I set myself a task to design a paint tool and see how it goes. So this is a paint tool that hopefully will be used by other guys, and has been used by one of my friends to draw some really amazing stuff. So when I open it, there's a welcome screen with little butterflies in the background. That's minor. So I get to the main page. Now this is the GUI, graphical user interface of my project. So here we got the obviously we got the color selector, which I use Control P5 library, which is available online. It's really cool to do this kind of stuff, and also menus. I see my other friends use this library for menus, and it's really cool in processing. Check it out. So the next button you see is a times 2 button. Now, obviously, times 2 and divided by 2. So let's say I choose to use the pencil here. Sorry for the little bug here. I'll try and fix it. Let's say I want to use the pencil here. I select it. I start drawing. If I want to make the pencil thicker, I just press it times 2 and it becomes thicker. If I want to make it thinner, just use this. And so this is how you get it, and it applies for the spray, for the circle and all that stuff. Then my other function was the new. So if I want to start a project from afresh, let's press new, and it just refreshes it for a new project, a fresh project to be started. Now my other buttons are the square. So if I want to draw a square, all I do is this. I want to make it bigger, obviously like that. Or I can draw very carefully a nice straight line, and so forth, so forth. So this is really cool to draw like straight lines, buildings, all that stuff. Then we got a circle here. We got a circle to draw nice circle shapes, or I can draw real quick, you know. And bear in mind I can do this in different colors as well. So, you know. Then I got the pencil shape, which I've already showed you. And let me show you again. I can do this like that. And for the really experienced artists, they want to add some alpha to it, they can make it alpha for the precise drawings. If you can see it, let me show you again. You know, you can see some kind of ghost effect on it. The next thing is the spray effect. The spray effect, I use this with a you can use this. I got it from a sketch, the two spray, and I had to adjust it to my sketch to make it consistent. And it was really a challenge. That was one of my most difficult tools to implement, but I was able to do it. And so basically, I can draw for all you graffiti artists out there. You can obviously make it bigger, or you divide it by 2 for drawing styles and all that stuff. You know, just for fun. Then we got the fill all screen. Now the fill all screen is basically, if you press this, you can just fill the whole screen with certain color. So right now I'm filling the whole screen white. I can change it to yellow. Let's say I want to start with red. So I'll make red. I reduce all the other colors. And you can see that the RGB values here, so you can see how much it is. So that's really cool. And then after I'm done setting a certain color, I just change to and then choose another color and start drawing on the red canvas. So that's really good. So the next feature is the print screen. Now the print screen is just like a save in Real Paint tool, and that was another challenge. But after a bit of research, I was able to see how to print screen just this part of the processing sketch. So the way I was able to do, actually I was able to print screen just this part here without the user interface. So we're just basically saving a file. So let's say I draw something real quick. I write my name. So my short name is M A. Choose another color. And then I can print screen with pressing the button, or I can press S on the keyboard. Now I'm gonna press S. I'm gonna press this icon on the interface, and it's gonna print screen. And when it's done, it should appear over here. And this is it. Now, other things I wanted to do and I'll be working on during the summer is implementing a open file button. So if I want to carry on working on this, I'll just open the file. I'll be able to select the file and keep on working on it. So this is about it. This is my paint project, and I work on this for 1 month with 3 months experience in processing, and this is one of the projects I'm really proud of. Thank you for watching.